If you've got a Vbucks card and you want to redeem it in Epic Games, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the simplest way to redeem your Vbucks card online so you can get your Fortnite balance added quickly and without confusion. This is a fast process, but I'll still show you each step clearly so you can follow along whether you're on a phone, laptop, or desktop. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy gaming guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is open your web browser and go to the official Epic Games website. You want to make sure you're on the correct site, so always double check the address before entering any code. Once you're on Epic Games, look for the redeem code page. This is the section where Epic lets you enter special codes, including Vbucks card codes. When the redeem code page opens, you'll see a field where you can enter your code. Now carefully type in the Vbucks card code exactly as it appears on your card or on the code slip. It's important to enter every letter and number correctly because even one wrong character can stop the redemption from working. If you want to avoid mistakes, take your time and double check the code before moving on. After you've entered the full Vbucks card code, look for the redeem button. Once you're sure everything is correct, click redeem to submit the code. Epic Games will then process the card and apply the Vbucks to the account connected to your redemption. In most cases, this should happen pretty quickly, so just wait a moment for the confirmation to appear. If the code is valid, you should see a success message letting you know the redemption worked. At that point, your Vbucks should be ready to use in Fortnite or any other eligible Epic Games purchase flow tied to your account. If you don't see the result you expected, go back and make sure the code was entered correctly and that you're signed into the right Epic account. And that's all there is to it. To redeem a Vbucks card in Epic Games, just go to the redeem code page, enter your Vbucks card code, and click redeem. It's a simple process, but following the steps carefully makes it much easier to avoid errors. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.